Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club NIT Agartala. Today we will discuss Codeforces round 888 division 3 second problem parity sort. So let's take a look at the problem statement. You have an array of integers a of length n. You can apply the following operation to the given array. Swap the two elements ai and aj such that both should be either even or both should be either odd. So determine whether it is possible to sort the array in non-decreasing order by performing an number of times, any operation number of times. So it's like we have an array, okay, a1, a2, a3, an. So we can swipe ai and aj if both are even or both are odd, and we have to swap and create an array in increasing order, which is non-decreasing, that is small to big integer. Okay, so we'll have to see that is it possible or not. So the input is like, first we'll take input of single integer test case, then n number of integers, the size of array, and the next line an array of size n integers which need to be swapped. So first one, it's like so size, this one is done, and this. So this can be done as, let me swap 1 and 7. So it will look like 1, 10, 7, 3, 2. 1 and 7 were odd, so it can be swapped easily. In next step, let me swap 10 and 2. So 1, 2, 7, 3, 10. In another step, let me swap 3 and 7 as both are odd. So 1, 2, 3, 7, 10. So it's perfectly in increasing order. So the output will be yes. Let's take another one. Okay, so in this one, in step 1, let's take 11 and 3. Basically here you can observe that all the elements are odd. Okay, so when all the elements are odd, anyone can be swapped and it can be in increasing order like 3, 5, 9, 11. So no problem in this one. So output of this will also be yes. Okay, let's take a look at another one. Okay, so for this one, here we can observe that this 11, 3, 15, 3 are odd, but this one is even. So no other even element is available to swap. Okay, so simply output will be no. So in all such test cases, what we basically observe that we need to have more than one element or as odd or even to be present to swap the elements. Okay, if all are odd, then it's easy, swapping is easy, so output will be yes. All are even, then same, swapping will be easy. But only single element like it is available here, so swapping is not easy, so output will be no. So let's take a look at how the code works. So basically I took an input and no need for this counter odd and even. So firstly I take the input as array and I created a new array and as NW. Then this NW contains the exactly same elements as array of I, but what's the difference is this NW contains array as in sorted manner. Okay, so let's say this first one. So the new array, the first array will be of 7, 10, 1, 3, 2, and the new array will contain elements as like in sorted order. It will contain 1, 2, 3, 7 and 10. So what basically we observe, both of this are odd, both this even, both odd, even. So the code says if both the elements of the new array and the old array are odd, even, or both the elements are odd, then we'll increase the counter. If this counter equals to n, let's count here. The counter will be like first CNT is equals to 0. Here counter will be equals to 1. Here counter will be equals to 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now n is equals to 5. CNT equals to 5. So if both are equal, we'll simply print yes, otherwise no. Let's run this. So that's it. Thank you.